Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English 10. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very nice topic. We are going to talk about free time.
Free time. That's a great topic. What is free time, Emma?
Good question, Alex. Free time is the time when you are not working and you are not studying. It's your time to relax and do things you enjoy.
Right. Time for fun things.
Exactly. So let's start. Alex, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I really like to do two things. I like to read books and I like to listen to music.
Reading books and listening to music. Those are very relaxing activities.
Yes, they are.
What kind of books do you like to read? Do you read storybooks?
I do. I love storybooks. I especially like history stories. It's like traveling to the past.
Oh, history stories. That sounds very interesting. And what about music? What music do you listen to?
I like calm music, like classical music or jazz. It helps me to think and relax after a busy day.
I see. So you like calm and relaxing activities in your free time?
That's right. What about you, Emma? What do you do in your free time?
Well, I like to be outside, so in my free time, I often go for a walk.
A walk? Where do you go for a walk?
I go to the big park near my house. It's beautiful. There are many trees and flowers. Walking there is very peaceful.
That sounds lovely. A walk in the park is a wonderful way to spend free time.
It is. I also like to watch movies, not at the cinema, but at home on my sofa.
Watching movies at home is very comfortable.
Yes, and a big part of our free time is the weekend.
The weekend, yes. Saturday and Sunday. 2 days with no work.
That's the best part. So let's talk about our weekends. What do you usually do on the weekend, Alex? I mean, what is a normal weekend for you?
A normal weekend, well, on Saturdays, I usually do my shopping. I go to the supermarket and buy food for the week.
Right, me too. It's a busy day for shopping.
It is. After shopping, I like to clean my apartment. I feel good when my home is clean.
A clean apartment is a happy apartment. So Saturday is for practical things. What about Sunday?
Sunday is for relaxing. I often stay home. I read my books, listen to my music, and I cook. I love to cook a big lunch on Sunday.
Oh, cooking. What do you like to cook?
I like to make pasta. Or sometimes I make a big soup with many vegetables. It's healthy and delicious.
That sounds so good. So, Alex, what about me? What do you think I do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend? Well, you like the park, so maybe you go there. And you like movies. But really, what do you usually do, Emma?
My weekends, on Saturdays, I often meet my friends.
Meeting friends, that's a great weekend activity.
Yes, we have a favorite cafe. We go there, we drink coffee, and we talk for hours. It's very fun.
That sounds wonderful. And on Sunday?
Sunday is my quiet day. I like to be at home. I call my family and I spend time in my small garden. I have some plants and flowers. I love to take care of them.
So you have a garden. That is so nice. A very peaceful way to spend the Sunday.
It is. So that is what we usually do. Now, let's talk about the past. What did you do last weekend, Alex? Was it a normal weekend?
Last weekend was a little different. It was my friend's birthday.
Oh, a birthday.
Yes. So on Saturday, I went to his birthday party. We ate cake, we played games, and we had a lot of fun.
A birthday party sounds much more fun than going to the supermarket.
It was. And on Sunday, I was a little tired, so I just stayed home and watched television all day.
That's a perfect Sunday after a party. Just relaxing.
Exactly. What about you, Emma? What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, on Saturday, I helped my brother. He is moving to a new apartment, so I helped him pack his things in boxes.
Oh, that is very kind of you, but it is hard work.
It was hard work. We were very tired, but his new apartment is very nice. And on Sunday, I did nothing. I just rested. I read a book and ordered a pizza for dinner.
Pizza is a great reward after hard work.
I agree. Okay, so that was the past. Now let's look to the future. Do you have plans for this weekend, Alex? The next weekend?
I do have plans. This Saturday, I am going to the beach with my cousins.
The beach? That's exciting. I love the beach.
Me too. We are going to swim if the water's not too cold. And we're going to play volleyball.
That sounds like a perfect summer day. I hope you have a lot of fun.
Thank you. I think we will. What are your plans for the weekend, Emma?
My plans are very simple. This weekend, I am going to visit my grandmother. She lives in a small town outside the city.
Oh, that's so nice. How often do you visit her?
I try to visit her once a month. I am going to help her in her garden, and she is going to make her famous apple pie for me.
Her famous apple pie? I'm jealous. That sounds like a very special weekend.
It will be. I am really looking forward to it.
Great. So we have talked about free time, usual weekends, past weekends, and future weekends. That's a lot.
It is. Let's do a quick review for our listeners. Some useful phrases. If you want to talk about what you like, you can say, I like to... It is a lot. And it makes me think our free time activities can change with the seasons, can't they?
For example, I like to read books. Or, I like to go for a walk.
That's a great point, Emma. The weather has a big influence. For example, in the summer, what do you like to
On
do?
the weekend, I usually...
I usually go shopping. Or, I usually meet my
For
friends.
the past, the key words are last weekend. For example, last weekend I went to a party.
Last weekend, I helped my brother. Notice we use the past form of the verb. Go becomes went. Help becomes helped.
That's a very important point, Alex. And for the future, you can say, this weekend I am going to...
This weekend, I am going to the beach. Or, I am going to visit my grandmother.
Excellent. These are simple phrases, but they are very useful for conversations.
Very useful. So now it's your turn, listeners. We have a question
Yes,
for
we
you.
do. Our question is, what are your plans for this weekend?
This weekend, I am going to...
It is. Well, I think that's all our time for today's episode of Daily English 10.
Thank you all for listening. We hope this was helpful for you.
Yes, we do. Until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great week.